Halor kamu kaduma basha peniap unong kayin indoor u Raja Raghuvanshi arngot ke basha kem halo kejing keno penjulor saki kata ubalbir akhir bar yo wajutip ngumu balu bad ulo kendra sing tomar kilalat no hadian bakatran kulit kala file ya ka final report ak yang syari u superintendent ki pulit district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM hak arterik urampang arhajar arpun riau ula pentep belaplat ini ki argot namar ba amsyam layo kanu kunok saki ke babiang persyaya ki hadian beladap kejing toket ke babania u superintendent ki pulit ulaong beladap ban file ya ka charge sheet ke baar hak ni ka kam na gilaingot ki basya kem menchwa halor kejing keno penjulor ki saki tang uwei ubla sya keno hak ka charge sheet ke baki argot kilalat no ula benrap ru baka jing bishar kan ya chekmat shan kumpalabo haka fast track court namar kejing kya jong tega kam kabedei ba kejing penyak beriu kat kum kejing pentip jong pulet ke yang cari keladap kentaj ya kejing pan jamin jong kanong selah haka ne kam penyap kata ka Sonam Raghuvanshi alor ke Sonam empat dan kanong kejing pan ya kejamin kebawan ni kiwei pat ki besya kenok dan keti haka ne kam Hakipor ki balalet ki pulet keladap file laga charge sheet ke badan nyospa kendai posla haka yeng syari u judicial magistrate first class haka seorang subdivision. Ki besya keno akan dikejeng penkrea bapeniap lane ke murder conspiracy. Ikan top ya ke Sonam Raghuvanshi kepada ke kurim u Raja Raghuvanshi u Raj Kushwaha bala keno bude uparlok jong Sonam Vishal Singh Chauhan Akash Rajput badu Anand Kurmi. Ya u Raja Raghuvanshi la peniap agapor budang dan hak jeng dek kasya seorang hak unai jemang jong kesenam arajar arpusan. Yang cari kalong kebalak loy bancim bishar ke kam apa ka fast track court.
The second charge sheet has already been filed, and from those three people, the last three people who were arrested for destruction or murder, only one person has been charge sheeted. Others have been actually discharged as a final report was take to effect because of their non-involvement. But circumstances at that time made us we had to take the step of arresting them. After investigating, we found that only one person is involved. I have not got the thing of when next hearing, but it will be very soon because the court is moving in a fast track and all that, and so I think perhaps in the fortnight the next hearing will come up.